What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So I hope you enjoyed the last video where I showed you how to find profitable Instagram influencers. But in today's video we're going to do something a bit different. I asked you on Facebook and Telegram to send me your stores, which I'm going to review in this video. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, what I think about your store, what you should do different, and what is wrong with your store, and what you can improve to have more success with Shopify. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you join the family, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as we have a free Facebook and Telegram group in the link in the description that you can join after watching this video. With that being said, let's start with a video. First thing, before we dive in straight to the website's reviews, if you want to win a free consulting call with me, all you need to do is to watch this video all the way through, give this video a like, and comment down in the comment section below anything you want. Next Monday I'm going to announce who is going to win that consulting call. Alright, so our first store is PatatasShop.com. Now I don't understand what is Patatas, maybe it's a different language, but I don't understand exactly what is it. Overall, the design of the store looks very well, but there is so many pet store online and there is nothing unique when you create a store like this. Those niches are very good niches to tap in, but you want to have a sub niche inside this niche. For example, let's say maybe selling only dog collars, or maybe selling only dog beds. Now if we will scroll down until the end, the overall, as I said, the design looks good. If we will scroll down to the social media accounts, let's open them. This is something very funny. Now the Facebook page, it redirects you to Shopify's page, which is very strange, and Twitter also Shopify, Pinterest Shopify, Instagram Shopify, and Tumblr also Shopify. Like, why you use Shopify's social media accounts? When customers are inside your stores, they will try to look for kind of social proof, and if you don't have any social proof, that just delete it from your website. Don't put that thing, which redirect them to another place, and this way it tells them that this might be a scam. So, or just don't have those pages or create the accounts. Don't be lazy, guys. So I opened one of the products on the website, and as you can see right here, it is an AliExpress description. So that is very lazy description. You need to understand that product description is your sales page, and that is way important even from your website design. And if you don't have even that, so I'm really sorry, that is not going to work. The next thing, which also showing that this might be a scam website, is you have two trust badges right here and right here. The trust badges themselves, because everybody is using the same ones, it looks kind of scammy. But you know, if you already use one, so have only one. Why having two? Also, this thing right here, I would probably remove that. It looks not very well. There is no way that actually 30 people right now looking at the product. Another thing that I can see here, there is no product reviews to your products. Product reviews is also something that sells your customers. As I said in one of my videos, I think 60 up to 70% of people are purchasing based on they saw the same product by other people, that somebody else using the same product, which is like product reviews. And you don't have even that, which is the basic thing to have. This is why I'm saying you need to focus on one product, two products, three products at max, and not just build a store with a bunch of products. Even if it's a niche store, but you have so many products in there, you don't have proper description in any of the products, you don't have product reviews, the main things that sell to your customers, you don't have those. So don't have just a lot of products, have less products but more optimized. So our next store is Favorlo, something like that. So the first thing that we can see straight away is that the images that you used to use your banner, they are not in the right size. As you can see, you have one picture which is huge like this, and again, it doesn't fit the right dimensions for the banner, and another small picture like this one. If you don't have a good banner images, just delete the banner, don't have any banner. So I went through the website a bit, I looked at the products, the categories, things like that, and I couldn't really understand what is the vibe of this store, like what kind of products do you sell. And I understand that this is like just a general store with like random products, but as a customer I don't understand what I'm seeing. You know, I'm seeing different products that are not related at all to each other. So I suggest you really to kind of organize the store or decide what you are going to sell, because I can't understand what is going on inside the store. Now if you will take a look in the footer right here, it's saying that the trust badges of the payment processor are only PayPal. Now basically what I did, I just went to one of the products and I add them to my cart. And if you will take a look at our cart page, it says that you accept Visa, MasterCard, you accept credit cards and PayPal. Now I went to the checkout page itself and I tried to place an order, and you only have PayPal. So why do you have those trust badges when you don't accept even credit cards, which kind of odd. There is no way that you are launching a Shopify store and driving traffic to it without credit card payment processor. Now, from all the stores that I have, 60% and more customers paid with credit cards. So this is the main thing that you need to focus even before you launch your store. The best thing is of course to have both of them, also PayPal and credit card on your website. But let's say you need to choose only one of them, I would go with credit card payment processor. And of course, if you don't have this payment processor, don't have this trust badges on your website. Another thing that I can see here is I went to one of your products and I'm just taking a look at your product description, which is way too long and super boring, and there is no way that someone is going to read all of that. Now I did see that you have another product on your website which you did a way better product description like this, with images, with GIFs, and really focused and straightforward information that your customers really want to know and see. As I said before, your product description is your sales page. You want to make it compelling as possible, include images, GIFs, give the customers straight away to know what is your products, what are the benefits. You don't need to have description like this. There is no way somebody is going to read this description. Another thing that I can see on your website, it is that you kept the variations of ships from. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad or a good thing, but it's kind of giving me the vibe of AliExpress, that you can choose from which country are you shipping or selling. So I don't know if that can really damage you or not. I would probably go with only one country to ship our product and just delete this variation. The easiest thing to do is to go to your shipping policy page and just say that you have also warehouses in the UK, in the US, and the shipping is faster, and not have something like that, which really gives the vibe of something not professional and kind of AliExpress. Last but not least, we have pauniverse.co.uk. So first of all, the main thing that I can see here is this is your logo, okay? Now, I'm not saying that you need to have like super professional logo, but honestly, this logo looks like you just created it on your print on your computer. So just go and invest like $5-10. You can get logo with the same idea. You can use the same idea, but have something more professional. But if you don't want to purchase a logo, the thing that I would do is I will make this logo way smaller, that people not will see this big thing which looks very unprofessional. Another thing that I can see here, that on your banner, the banner image is okay, but for some reason your call to action, it seems that it is kind of misplaced, or so maybe it needs to be right here or somewhere else, but it looks like it just not at the right place. Now I checked the same thing also on mobile, it also looks the same thing. Now if we will take a look at the store, it's kind of the same of the second store that we reviewed, which is kind of, again, general store for pet supplies, for cats, for dogs. Guys, don't try to be the next Petco. There is no way that people are going to see your website and say like, wow, what a great website, what a great products, because all those other websites already selling those products. You want to kind of have a sub niche. Okay, you have the general niche, which is cats and dog, let's say, okay, or just cats or just dogs. And you want to get a sub niche inside this niche. For example, as I said, maybe just selling dog collars, or maybe selling only dog beds, things like that, that you are specialized with something. Now the next thing that really bothers me is the color of your website. If you can see right here, this red color of your color scheme of your website, it just doesn't fit the niche. The easiest thing that you can do, and I did the same thing when I created a store that related to pets and dogs and cats, I just went to Google and I typed in top 10 websites for pets. Go to those websites and see what kind of color schemes they are using, and just try to create something similar to that and unique to your own way. That is basically because when people are going to land on your website, they will have some kind of feeling of something that is familiar to them and not strange like that. Even your logo is different colors, and I can't see exactly how this color will be related to the niche or your logo. So even if you will put it in black, it's way better than this color. But as I said, go to see which websites are the top ones and which colors they are using. So funny thing, I went to one of your products on your website and I want to show you something. I will scroll right here. Now obviously you just used the app Looks and you imported your reviews from AliExpress. I hope that you already know, guys, AliExpress have automatic translation between their actual language of the customer to English, so it doesn't always looks very good. So if you will take a look right here in this comment, finally came the product after 2.5 months, contact the seller twice and did not respond, so 1 star at this point. And you see that she gave, or he gave, 5 stars, which doesn't make sense. Believe me that people will read your product reviews. If they are not sure about your product, your website, they will go to the reviews and kind of try to convince themselves why they need to purchase this product, because other will recommend this product. And from what I'm seeing in the reviews, it's not something very appealing, and the reviews seems very, very unprofessional and not really inviting to purchase this product. So basically what I recommend to do is or to edit those reviews or just import different reviews, which what is written there more makes sense and kind of also selling to your potential customer. And just a quick thing that I want to mention is you don't have to focus on your website design, and you need more to focus on your product, your sales page, which is the product page. Those things you want to focus, because those are really going to determine your success. But having a good looking website and a good structure for this website will really help you and boost your conversions and results. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash this like button. Guys, destroy the like button, and of course join the family, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. If you want me to do more videos like this and maybe even review your store, make sure to leave that in the comment section below. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Peace.